Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to add attribute table and lock item property in your layout map. So it is very important if you want to add and lock item property. So listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. Here is our add attribute table symbol. We select it and we draw first corner to last corner and double click. Our attribute table is here. You see here, and if you want to change it, you go to item property, and if you want to manage cell size, you select here cell manage, and we adjust as per your requirement. We adjust 1.40 mm, and if you want to display header, you select here all feature. So here is header with table, and if you hide header, you click no header. You see here your header is hide. And if you want to change background color, you select here background color. We select it. Our background color change. If you want to table line color, you select here show grid, and you select here color and width as per your requirement. Our table draw, you see here your table draw, and your attribute table is complete. And if you want to lock your table, you see here items, and you see here lock. You click here lock. You see here your table lock not move. And if you want to move table, you move as per adjust, and you lock it. Your table is locked. Same as if you want to lock map, you see here move map. But if you want to lock it, so you lock it and map not move anywhere. So our attribute table and lock item property in layout manager is complete successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to add image means raster data in QGIS. So it is very important. So see this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. Here is our QGIS, and here is our path, D drive, online classes and particular date, and here is our image, and we double click image, otherwise drag. We drag it. Our raster image is added successfully. And if you want to zoom, you zoom it. Here is maximum zoom, and you see here is pixel value of image, and we zoom out. After add the image, we go to layer and create layer, and select here new shapefile layer, and we go to file name means particular path where you save it. Here is our path, and we write here file name, line, and type. You see here save as type E3, and save it. After it, we select here category type, line, and here is our projection. We give projection WGS 8443 North. If you don't have, you go to select CRS and you select as per your projection. After it, we select here type, string, field name, length, and length 80, and add to field and OK. Our line shape file created. We create next shape file, go to layer, create layer and new shape file layer, and we select here location and we write here point and save. Geometry type point and projection as per your projection, and field name, name, and type test, size 80, and click add to field list, then OK. Our point file is created. Next we go to layer, create layer, new shape file, and go to again folder path and we write here polygon and shape type SHP, save, and geometry type polygon, and name we write here area, type test, and length we write here 50, and add to field list. Click here, our field is added. After it we OK. Our line, point and area shape file created and raster image added. So we complete successfully raster image addition and create line, point, area shape file. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.